Well, it started.
Hello, people. Yes, I'm literally out in the rain, which is like awesome because I feel like a little 6-year-old again.
And what would be even funnier if his okay, let me try that again. Take 2. What would be even funnier is if I was out there playing in the rain, but I'm not because I'm the one holding the camera.
Yes, I know, Mom. Guys, and it's because you don't have a jacket like this.
That's okay, and it's one of the nicer rainy days here in Texas.
Yes.
Instead of just standing there, why don't you run around in circles or something? Hey, don't take suggestion from me. This is your video. It is rain. You were not going to die from it unless you were a turkey and you look up at it and you drown. But you're not a turkey.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay. This was the rain video here from Bryan, Texas.
No way, I gotta do the little subscribe and follow thingy and all that.
Okay, I was just gonna add my part in it, but alright, you go ahead.
Well, anyways, I do have a YouTube, do subscribe to it, please. Because, I don't know why. And,
Like and subscribe if you like weird stuff.
yeah, and also, my other, links or descriptions will be down below. I don't know how to do this because I've watched, other people do it.
That's alright, we'll get that figured
follow
out.
me on Twitter and Instagram. If y'all want to add me on Facebook, whatever. Okay.
Alright, now
Thank you!
And this was a lovely rainy day video from Bryan, Texas. Good night.